Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a link into a Google Slides presentation. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the NEISD Launchpad and you're going to access your Google Classroom. So inside your Google Classroom, you're going to go to the tab that says Classwork. And if you go to week 1, you have a thing that says turning in an assignment. So what you're going to do is you have your assignment right here. First thing you need to do is you need to write your name in this slide in the assignment. Second thing you need to do is you need to insert 2 images. If you do not know how to do that, please watch the how-to video on how to insert images. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to work on our schedule. So this is A day. You have class 1, 3, 5, and 7. So in here, you are going to have to type your class name. What class do you have first period? First period, you have ELAR with me, Mrs. Dale. So you can type the teacher's name too if you want. And I want you to add the Zoom link. So in order to do that, you have to go to your Google Classroom, find the link that the teacher has posted, and you're going to copy it. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose copy link address. One more time on the mouse, I'm going to right click and choose copy link address. Once I do that, I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose paste. And it's going to have the code right there. Another way to do it, I can choose insert link and I can paste it. And then I can put ELAR Zoom class. And I'm going to hit apply. So then when I click on it, I have my ELAR Zoom link. So third period, I have ELAR again. You have something else. I'm going to put Dale. I'm going to go to classwork. But look, this is my ELAR level 2 class. I need to go to my classes and I need to find the correct class in Google Classroom. So here is my correct class. I'm going to find the Zoom link that my teacher gave me. I'm going to right click. I'm going to copy the link address. And I'm going to go back to my assignment and I'm going to paste it. Now I can either right click and choose paste, or I can do insert link, paste the link right here, and then put ELAR level 1 Zoom class. The next class, oh, I have lunch right here, so I'm going to write lunch. There's no Zoom link for lunch, so I'm just going to put lunch. Fifth period, I have ELAR again. My name. I'm going to find the class under classwork. So here's my next class. Okay. I'm going to find the Zoom link that the teacher has. Okay, I'm going to right click. Oops, I need to get out of this, sorry. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose, see, I accidentally clicked on it. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose copy link address. And then I'm going to paste my link again. So you're going to do this for all your classes, okay? Once you do the A day, on the next slide, you're going to do the B day. So this is due by Friday, August 21st. Okay, and so you need to have your class and your Zoom links turned in to me.